Let's try it. What's going on, everybody? This is Silent Hopper TV, and today we're going to make a nightlife tour of Cabo San Lucas. To join up with my friend, Acapulqueño en Los Cabos. He's going to show us around the nightlife in Cabo San Lucas. This is my hotel, Marina Fiesta, right there on the marina. Let's begin. Today, you're going to show us around the nightlife in Cabo.
Yeah, exactly. We're going to start with the sunset cruises. We're going to go to the Dock Zero and start with the pirate ships and the Fajita sunset.
Okay, so we're going to go have some fun tonight.
Yeah, tonight is the night of fun. We are on the way. Let's go.
Okay. Okay, so here we are at Mercado del Mar. It's Dock Zero, the terminal, where you can catch up with a cruise boat. You can see they've got Cabo Escape, Cabo Wave, Cabo Rey. They got the pirate ships over here. So you can do any of these at 6 p.m. These are night cruises, sunset cruises. So we're gonna do a shot of mezcal. This is the artisan premium mezcal.
Yeah, it's from Oaxaca, and the quality of the mezcal of Oaxaca is the best. So this is a good time to try something different besides tequila, mezcal.
Hi, my name is Miguel. I'm making this mezcal. This is mezcal from Oaxaca.
Okay, amigos, we have two different mezcal. When you come here to Taba, make sure that you're gonna have the espadín, which is the traditional mezcal, and this is commercial mezcal, and it comes with orange.
Let's try it. Smooth, very good. All right, there goes the Oceanos one, and right next to us here we have the Cabo Wave heading out. So here we have some Cabo San Lucas barbecue. So I gotta ask you, which one is your favorite?
My favorite one is the one that you need to have fun.
This Cabo Rey is pretty fun because when it pulls out, they make a big noise, right?
Right. So the noises.
Better than the pirate ship? Huh?
Pirate ship is for kids and a lot of fun. The show and the battle between the two boats. You wanna have party? The Fajita sunset. Cabo Escape for the party. Formal dinner. You know, Mexican show, Argentine show, and a formal dinner. Cabo Rey is the one.
So we're gonna stop here and actually get some sashimi at the sushi restaurant. And that'll be perfect. There's La Casa Country. You could hear the music getting started. Very good, how are you? Yes, we come to see you. Sí, hola. You the boss or she the boss?
The boss.
Okay, the boss. Here for sashimi, you got?
Great.
The best sashimi.
The best sashimi.
So you were saying before the sickness started, there was bar hopping in Cabo.
Yeah, actually it was better for the people that stayed at San Jose because of transportation was provided. So the bars, they used to close by 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. And now the tourist is not anymore, it's not running anymore because bars, they close 11, 10 o'clock. So the nightlife is quiet now.
I would recommend that if someone wanted to do bar hopping, that they at least message you to see if you have any further updates about bar hopping in Cabo San Lucas.
Yeah, exactly, especially the people who lives in San Jose.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's far, and early in the morning the taxi cab costs you a lot of money to go back, so we can provide you transportation and show you the different bars in San Lucas.
Okay. Oh, some tequila.
That's mezcal.
Mezcal. So this is good for some pregame.
Good mezcal, good mezcal.
Good mezcal.
Yeah.
¿Cómo se llama the mezcal?
400 conejos.
So what we have right here is the yellowfin tuna. And what kind of pepper is that?
That's jalapeno.
Jalapeno.
Yeah.
And so this is raw fish straight out of the Baja right here. Let's try it. Get some mezcal or some tequila and be happy. Okay, so now we've gotten a different tuna. You can see the meat is a little bit more white, but it has a piece of avocado inside of it. Wow, look at that. That is so zesty looking. Let's give it a whirl. Oh, that is good.
What are you looking for, honey?
Oh my God. You know what I love about Cabo San Lucas is the fact that when I come down here, the fish is fresh. So it's coming straight out of the Baja Ocean right here, the Sea of Cortez, the Pacific Ocean, and I know it's fresh. Even if it's Japanese food or if it's ceviche, just so fresh. And oh man, you're gonna like it. So we've got some Dorado, which is actually mahi-mahi. We've elected to go without any sort of cream because it's more fattening. We want more of the lightweight, more natural, organic flavor. So you can see the beautiful piece of meat of sashimi, Dorado right here. Wow. It's between the first one. Well, I like all three actually, to be honest with you. This one has a different texture than the first one, which was the yellowtail, but it still tastes very good. So mahi-mahi, yellowtail, the second one, which was regular tuna, all three good. I would have rather the second one not had as much mayonnaise or the cream sauce, so very good.
Okay, remember I told you that I'm not good with the sticks, but
Yeah.
what I like, the first one is definitely the yellow. The yellow tail is my favorite one. The second one is the flavor is with the avocado and the sauce, the creamy sauce is confusing, and you lose the flavor of the fish, which is the main ingredient. But with this one, the third one, which is the mahi-mahi, I feel the ginger flavor, and it's soft and good. It tastes really, really fresh. It's really good. You still keep the flavor of the fish.
So you can see as the night goes on, the marina definitely takes on a different ambiance. Both are nice. Sunset's gorgeous.
Sushi in Cabo is #1. In Cabo San Lucas is the sashimi, tuna, yellowtail, mahi-mahi. It's great. Look at the fish. #1 in Cabo.
It's called what?
Our sushi is the best in Cabo.
And I will say, that sashimi, the Dorado, the mahi-mahi, and the tuna was really good. He's not lying.
Very fresh.
I recommend this place. And the views right on the harbor. Look at this view, man. Look at this. Great. Great views. Great food. Good friends. And another place you can check out is the Mango Deck along the El Madano beach. You can see they've got live mariachi, great views, but it's right there on the beach, not on the marina, so that's kind of fun. So you're saying go to Squid Row?
Yeah, we start with abolengo.
It's Abolengo? So here we are at the bar known as Happy Ending Cabo San Lucas. Another bar along the way. And also, when I come here, how much should I tip the server?
It's 10%. You know, that's the regular service. It's a really, really good service. 15 is enough. Some people, they're really kind and they go over 20. But 10, between 10 and 15 is perfect.
Also, when you're out here, they do have some bars and some cold drinks. So you can see, you can get all types of different stuff here. It's currently 9 o'clock. They've got tequila tasting. So this right here is along the main street where you would be going in the central area, downtown. All right, here we are in the downtown area. This is the central area of downtown. What do we have right here?
This is the heart of downtown San Lucas. We have all the action. This is Ignacio Zaragoza and Lázaro Cardenas. That's the name of the street. So we are in the middle of both streets. Bars, action, food.
What do you
stores.
think? Mandala, Squid Row?
Squid Row, Mandala, and the Bolero. Those bars are really famous in town.
What's the number 1 bar in downtown Cabo San Lucas?
As I said before, is the kind of music you like, the kind of atmosphere you like. It's up to you, but you can jump. You can go to different bars during the night till 11:40. I mean 10:40.
But maybe Mandala and Squid Row, very famous.
Squid Row, definitely.
Squid Row.
Squid Row.
Let's go take a look.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, so we're in front of Bolero, and then we're going to Mandala.
Let's start with Mandala.
Okay, let's go take a look. So Mandala required that you buy a bottle to go in. Squid Row is actually 400 pesos per person, but you get 2 drinks. So we're actually going to go inside of Squid Row because you say it's probably the we're checking out.
Definitely.
We'll do it. Okay. So the area between Mandala and the Squid Row seems to be the most popular area because it's right there along Avenue Cardenas. They do have cover charges. Like I said, one of them was 400 pesos per person. The other one required that you buy a bottle. I don't know if that applies to everybody or if that was just applying to us, but so far that's what we were seeing. If you're coming here and you want some late night food, they have some chorizo, tacos, and it's very good. They have carne asada, tacos, but mostly chorizo. Okay, perfecto. All right, so obviously this side is the more exciting side of town, but as you come over here, you have Fahrenheit and a more relaxing experience for the guests. And which ones shall we know about? Fahrenheit?
I like Fahrenheit. I like the concept. It's quiet. Those bars are basically to chat, you know, enjoy a nice conversation, maybe something that you want to, you know, like recap during your vacation. This bar is like more relaxing. This is still downtown.
And over here is more for the young people,
yeah,
for the party.
Wild attitude.
Yeah.
But here is
wild.
Wild, exactly.
More wild.
But here is more for, you know, to relax and have a drink and enjoy still the nice weather in Los Cabos.
So which one shall we go to? Fahrenheit or maybe another one?
We go to the top.
Of this one? Okay. Look at, you get a beautiful terrace. ¿Cómo se llama aquí? Tapes. All right, so once you get to after hours, you might be hungry and you will come to this area here.
Yeah, it's just behind the Squid Road, okay? And you can find seafood, Oaxaqueños food, mezcal over there, seafood right here. And this is more like for eating area after hours. Okay, so but it's still in downtown.
What is the name of this road?
This is Ignacio Zaragoza.
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 Zaragoza. Ignacio Zaragoza.
Zaragoza, exactly.
They have the taco house, Comida del Mar,
El Pescador,
El Pescador,
Javi Cabo.
Javi Cabo. So, great place to come after hours once you've had your fun. Okay, so right now we're going to the Tacos Hopper.
Yeah, we are. Actually, this is the first restaurant. It's called El Paisa. It's a good place. You cannot have a beer here. I'm gonna show you a place that you can have tacos and beer at the same time, okay?
Let's go.
Okay, so
Amigo, where are we at?
okay, Las Guacamayas.
Las Guacamayas.
Las Guacamayas. This is Mexican concept, and we're gonna try the volcano or the vampire. Okay, volcano and vampire is a corn tossed tortilla. It's not fried, but it's grilled. It's gonna be crunchy. A melt Mexican cheese, and we are gonna choose the meat. In my case, I like a carne asada or pastor.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go.
Let's go.
This is a good place to be at.
Okay. So this restaurant, Las Guacamayas, is more of an authentic restaurant. That's why you get so many different variety of salsa. Verde, rojo, pico de gallo, and you even get the
toreado.
toreado,
Chile toreado.
which is chile and onions. So very nice place. Let's see what the food looks like. Okay, I got the rib steak. Which
Volcano. I have the pastor.
one? Pastor.
This is called volcano. It can be a vampire also.
Okay.
It can be with marlin also.
Blue Marlin.
All right, everybody, thanks for watching this episode of Nightlife in Cabo San Lucas. If you guys enjoyed it, consider watching some more of our other videos from Cabo San Lucas and San Jose del Cabo.